Сайн байцгаана уу? Бүгдэнд нь энэ өдрийн мэндийг хүргэе. За тэгэхээр өнөөдөр манай Healthy Mongolians page хуудсанд маань маш олон гоёны дутардлын өөхийг хэрхэн хайлуулах вэ гэдэг асуултыг хүмүүс асуусан учраас би өнөөдөр та бүхэнд гоёны дутардлын булчинг чангалах өөхийг хайлуулах дасгалыг хийж сонирхуулахаар бэлдсэн байна. За тэгээд бүгдээрээ дасгалаа үзээд дагаад хийцгээгээрэй.
Just put your arms around me, tell me everything's okay. I'm ready for this, there's no denying. I'm ready for this, you stop me falling. I'm ready for this, I need you holding. I'm ready for this, so darling hold my hand. Oh, won't you hold my hand? 'Cause I don't wanna walk alone. 'Cause I don't wanna walk on my own anymore. Won't you understand? 'Cause I don't wanna walk alone. So please don't make me wait, 'cause I don't wanna break, no I don't wanna fall. When you're next to me, content I'm not afraid to be. You don't make me wait, and never let me break, you never let me fall. Darling, hold my hand. Oh, would you hold my hand? 'Cause I don't wanna walk on my own anymore. Won't you understand? 'Cause I don't wanna walk alone.
It's getting late for me, but it's too early for you. I shouldn't wait, but this one I'm not gonna lose. I can see it forever. I've got my starter for 10. You gave your love for free, so could you say it again? That this is all that you need. Can you see it? Can you see it? Tell me what we're waiting for. I only wanna lie. Tell me what we're waiting for. I only wanna lie. I don't wanna try alone. We could dream it all. Don't wanna stop the thought of you and I forever.